What's up everyone, welcome back to another video. So today, another day, the Scion FRs and the 1jz swap. As you guys know, yesterday we did the clutch. Look at that, that clutch looks so good. So today what I'm planning to do is I'm actually want to take out the whole entire stock fuel line system, you know, like the stock lines, and replace them with PTFE braided lines that actually support E85 that want to be running in the future. So yeah, I got some braided line over here from Vibrant. So I got 10 feet for the feet and also 10 feet for the return. Hopefully that is going to be enough, and let's see how it goes. Just a little walk around over here on the clutch. Damn, this clutch is so pretty, man. And as you guys know, here's the car, here's the stock lines. So actually this is actually the two lines that we're going to be replacing. This one over here and then this one over here. Right, this two over here that I have apart. So yeah, so the plan for today is actually go underneath. I don't know if you can tell, but there is actually a cover there that's covered the fuel lines. Hopefully that's gonna held up by clamps, you know, and I guess bolts. It's gonna be a lot easier if that's the case. And because I don't really want to put a grinder in there, you know, I might cause a fire or something. So let's see how it goes. All right, so I actually had to jack up the car because it was pretty tight. Look at the space that we have to work in there now. Damn, this is so cool. I'm just gonna crawl under there now. Hopefully, you know, it's gonna be an easy swap. But look, we got plenty of room though. Look, man, space. I could fit 2 Henry in there. All right, so I'm actually under the car now. Look at the tray. It looks pretty simple to remove. There's actually a whole bunch of 10mm bolt and a whole bunch of clips that's holding in place. And then once you take this out, I think we should have access to the fuel line. So I took out the cover. It wasn't really that bad. There were only 5 bolts and also 3 clips. So, you know, I got access to the fuel lines. I think this one is that we are gonna be actually taking out. Actually, I want to take out the whole thing because we don't really need much in here. Like everything in here, we don't really need it. You know what? Never mind. Actually, we do, because this is actually the rear brake lines. We cannot just take out everything, but a little vision from over here, we could just literally, because everything is already disconnected on top, you know, the day that I took out the fuel pump, you know, I should be able to take out this one over here. This is one of the feet and this is the other one, you know, and then reroute the whole entire system from over here. You know, I could just unplug this. I don't really need this, you know, take this out, you know, unplug this. We don't need this. This is one of the feet, and then this is the other one, right, which is this line. This one, the other one is just bent back to the tank, and then from here we could just run a, you know, brittle line in all the way to the front, you know. So it seems pretty easy. All right, so we're gonna get into the car. I'll pull this thing open, man, because the pump is already out. I haven't put this back. I haven't put it back yet because we have to modify it. So let's see what we could get from over here. This is actually the cover. That's actually cover the pump. Oh, there you go. This is the line that we don't really need. I think it's clamped up. We could probably take this out of here. I don't know how to get access into this. Fuck. You know what I'm gonna do now? This is the stock line. I'm just gonna leave it on the side because I don't think that is gonna bother much. And then just run new lines from the bottom, and then that should be it. Let me just cover this back up. My God, there you go. Boom. All right, so that's the plan. Oh shit. All right guys, so actually have this tool layering around. I just don't know where I put it. You know, the quick disconnect tool for the fuel line, man, I bought it brand new. I didn't even use it. I just don't know where I put it. Sucks, huh? Man, I know I put it somewhere. and it's literally not here. I guess my last option will be, you know, I might have to cut on the lines, you know, like I'm gonna use this tool. This is actually a plumbing tool, you know, that cuts you know, anything like copper, aluminum. Oh man, this is sucks, man. I did have that too. I bought it, you know, that's the whole purpose of it, you know, when I just got it, because I wanted to take out all the fuel lines. But hey, it is what it is, man. Goddamn, this thing is in the middle of everything. I have so much stuff laying around now. You know, having a project is not really that easy. I don't know where I put the tool, so oh well, I guess I'm gonna cut this out. I just don't know where is it. Oh my god, that thing sucks so much, bro. Oh my god, maybe somewhere around here. I don't think so, because I never put stuff in here. Man, I bought it with the whole purpose of using it now. God damn it. Alright, never mind, I guess. Alright, so I guess I'm gonna cut them out instead of, like, you know, try to disconnect them the proper way. But if you guys have that tool, you know, just disconnect it, don't waste the brake lines, and then you'll be good. Oh my god, now where's my flashlight? Man, that'd be much easier. I have a lift in my light. There you go. There you go. So we could have actually, you know, disconnect the lines from over here. Just pull them out, you know. It would just self-disconnect, but since we don't really have the tools, you know what? Matter of fact, I might be able to do it. Alright guys, so I got some good news over here. So this were actually really easy to take out. I use a, you know, a pressure plier, you know, I stick it around the plastic. When this thing have pressure, you could just, you know, pull the whole entire fitting out, and then you'll be good. Look at that. So everything is out. Now we can just, you know, go ahead and unclip all the fuel lines, and then hopefully we could just put the brand new braided lines in, you know, and then just fit it through here. All right guys, so I got some good news and bad news. The good news is I took out both lines, and the bad news is I kind of, you know, broke all the brackets because they were very crusty. Man, that sucks. I really wanted to use all the old brackets. I mean, there is some other left, but most of them are broken. It's kind of useless now though, but whatever. So yeah, it's pretty simple. You know, make sure that you take out all the white bracket that is actually holding up the lines. This is actually ventilation that's going back into the tank, I believe. I don't know if I'm gonna use this, so I could just probably, I don't know. Well, you just cut it and cap it, but there's no point of this whole entire hose over here. I gotta figure out where is that actually direct into, and then I probably could just cap it off from here. Very simple, everything straightforward. I'm gonna just try to, you know, measure the, you know, the braided lines. Hopefully I have enough fuel lines, and then I don't know, we should be able to swap them all. Hey, so if anybody wants some stock hard lines, let me know. They're really good condition. I could probably, you know, pack them up and ship them. Hey, but you know, look at them. Or I could just probably use them for, you know, I don't know, maybe another swap or something. But here it is. All right guys, so another good news is 10 feet of each line is more than enough, you know, to, you know, redo all the fuel lines. Look at that. I could just probably, you know, cut this back. This one is gonna go for return, you know, for the fuel pressure regulator, and this one to actually could come all the way to the front where the fit is. And then inside we got more lines. Look at that, we got enough. We just pull this back a little more, probably, you know, whatever. But we're just trying to figure out, is this gonna be enough or not? So this could be, you know, for the pump, and this one could be for, and this one could be, you know, for the return line. I'm not really sure what I'm doing with the pump yet. I got the pump over here. Oh man, it's gonna be a big project. I got the pump over here, all disassembled, all taken apart. All right, here's the pieces. And also I got the radium siphon system over here that was created to use on this type of fuel system that the Scion FRs has. So the good news is we took out all the fuel lines. The fuel lines that we have is actually, you know, enough. Right, 10 feet of feed and 10 feet of return is really enough for the swap. Look at what I got over here. I actually got one of these brackets. This actually is, you know, sitting on that little nut that is popping out from the chassis and is holding up the fuel lines. Where is it? Look at that, over here. Just get the flashlight one more time. Damn, definitely need a lift, bro. Look at that. It's gonna look so clean, the whole swap. Look at that. So just go over here. This is hand tightener for now. I just mount this here, so you know, you guys see. Maybe a little tube. There you go. A little better vision, right? Look at this bracket. It fits right on it though. I'm just gonna tighten up all this. But before that, I gotta do all the PTFE fittings that I'm gonna be needing. You know, these are actually different system. Look at that. Man, it's so much work. I'm so happy, you know, to find out that, you know, the fuel lines are good, no headache, another peace of mind. I just gotta put all the fitting back. You know, gotta make sure where the fuel pressure regulator is gonna be sitting, you know, just to do all the plumbing and all that. But hey, yeah, looking so good now. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hey, you know, to be honest, crawling in and out of that is not really that easy. I'm kind of tired now. So yeah, so I'm gonna call it for the day. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. So next video, we're gonna try to complete the whole entire fuel system. We still gotta modify the fuel pump. So I still gotta do some research how I'm gonna fix that up yet. But other than that, should be able to, you know, do the plumbing. You know, we're still looking for the right hoses for the heater core. You know, hopefully after that we should be able to put the motor all back together, do the wiring, and then hey, you know, like, oh, totally forgot, you know, gotta fit the transmission. Gotta put everything back together, you know, dump the tranny in, see mark up where we have to modify and whatnot. Woo, long project. So yeah, so you know, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, you know, please follow, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.